How to enable the Qwen AI to refer your saved memories. So hey guys, welcome to this quick and short tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to guide you how you can enable the Qwen AI to refer your previously saved memories for more optimized and personalized answers. So for that, the first thing that we're going to do is head on to the chat.qwen.ai, which is the official address for the Qwen Studios. And once you're here, you need to click on to your profile picture at the bottom left corner and then click on settings. Now within the settings, you will see this personalization option. And once inside the personalization option, you can see this particular toggle that says reference saved memories. So basically, Qwen will save and reference memories when generating replies. So make sure this is enabled, and it will also automatically enable the reference chat history as well, so that your answers are customized and also personalized as per your need. So that was all. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.